Oh my God, I'm so tired. No one understands the pain of a single mother and what she has to do to provide for her kids. And all I ever get is criticism. I don't know what to do anymore. I need a word of encouragement, dear God.
Wake up!
Oh my God!
Watch out, bro! Whee! Check out my moves! Squat! Woohoo! Look at it go! Faster! I'm the king of road! Safety first, baby!
President, poverty will end, and the minimum wage will rise to $4 million.
Stop deceiving the people, you old liar! You only say that to get elected, then you leave everyone in the gutter! You ungrateful, lying thief! Squawk!
Okay. Ha! Granny must feed me 2 biscuits and a wobble sauce. No singing, no court compliance.
And the kettle goes click and the biscuits go crunch. I wobble all through my tea time lunch.
Wobble, wobble, crunch, crunch.
Wobble, wobble, crunch,
Kettle
crunch.
sings,
Stop, Larry, that's very dangerous.
Okay. Call 911.
Sir, would you like to have some peanuts?
I love peanuts!
Give me one bag.
That'll be $5.
$5? What is this airline? I thought I was in America.
This company policy.
I have wings. I can fly outside for free.
Open the window!
I'm leaving. Somebody call the police.
Wake up, everybody! It's late! Let's go! 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 Get up!
Why are you still sleeping?
It's morning! Look! Move it!
Oh my God, Tony, please.
No excuses! Get up!
Tony, look at this mess. Rice everywhere, eggshells, bananas on the table. You've turned the kitchen into a carnival party.
Hey! I'm organizing! Don't you shout at me!
Organizing? You're destroying the whole breakfast.
I'm working here, boss! Quality control! It's all part of the process! Half of it is mine anyway!
Squawk.
Let's see. Who ate the cake that was on the table?
Him! This giant swallowed the whole cake! I tried to stop him, but he threw himself on top of the cake. That's why I'm all stained!
Both of you are full of cream. Don't lie to me.
Bob, I'm innocent! I eat fruit, not cake! Look at his eyes! Just look at his eyes! That cat is killing me!
Oh my God, Tony.
Unbelievable!
I'm telling you, Marlene, I didn't even go near her.
I saw him! I saw everything!
Attention!
Parents,
stop.
no! All humans, do jumping jack now! Faster! Run, run, run for snacks! Go!
Oh my God.
It was you! I saw you, you liar!
Don't you dare accuse me! Corrupt me!
You pushed the glass. You did it on
That's
purpose.
what I did! You were running around and you dropped it! Look at the juice on the floor! That's your mess!
Because you moved the table
Tell
first.
the truth right now! I said it wasn't me!
Oh my God, look at that. What a professional thief. Look at the $5.
Squawk! You who feel weak or sad, listen to this. God is with you. You are not alone. Every test makes you stronger. Every fall teaches a lesson. Trust in Him. Lift your spirit.
We were supposed to retire in the tropics together. She was too sweet for this cruel world.
But you need therapy.
I need frosting and this closure. Squawk!
It's over. The holidays are over. All those promises, They were all left for January. Now it's time to work, pay the bills, and carry this heavy life. I'm too pretty for this.
All right, team, let's move out. Target is in sight.
I can't go! I absolutely refuse! This mask is unacceptable!
What's wrong with it now, Rocco?
It smells like your lunch! A mix of cheap coffee and failure! The criminals will smell us coming from a mile away! You want me to die in a polyester sock? Squawk!
Paco, flip the egg for me, okay?
Me? No way, that's way too hot. It burns.
Just flip it, Paco.
Listen, I'm a parent, not a chef. If I put my foot in there, I'll melt.
Oh, Paco.
You flip the egg, I'll just stay.
Paco, flip the egg for me, okay?
Me? No way, that's way too hot. It burns.
Just flip it, Paco.
Listen, I'm a parent, not a chef. If I put my foot in there, I'll melt.
Oh, Paco.
You flip the egg, I'll just stay. No! No! Help me! Help me! Stop it! He's too heavy! He's too heavy! My heart! Quick! Call the police! Oh my goodness! He's doing it! I am a respectable bird!
Call my lawyer! I know my rights! I want sunflower seeds as compensation!
Lucha, relax. It's just a tiny
I'm dying of having
thing.
Tiny? That needle is longer than my neck! Oh, I'm dying! I'm having a heart attack!
Oh, look at you, madam. You have such beautiful babies. Could you maybe give me one of them? Just one?
And how are you going to feed
With corn money. So, do you accept my offer or not? Okay, I'm taking it now.
No. I don't even have kids. I don't even have a girlfriend. This is a setup. Squawk. If you say they're mine, show me the mother. Where's the mom? Show her to me.
Oh, hello, gorgeous.
Well, I'm taking thought.